All right, so let's continue, Juan. All right, so let's start. Okay. So we have eraser, chalkboard, pencil case, ruler, pencil sharpener, shelf, exercise book, and trash bin. Okay, so here is another dialogue, but we need to listen to the audio. Read and listen the dialogue. Where is Olivia's pencil case? So that we will know where is Olivia's pencil case. Okay, let's listen.
Introduction Unit, Lesson D, Exercise 2.
Have you got a pencil and an eraser?
I've got a pencil, but I haven't got an eraser. The pencil is on my desk.
Thanks. Have you got a coloured pen?
No, but I've got some coloured pencils.
What colours?
Red, blue, green, brown. Lots of colours. They're in my pencil case.
Is that your pencil case?
No, that's Gemma's. My pencil case is in my school bag. Hang on. Oh no, it's at home. Sorry.
Okay, so we are already hear the audio. And where do you think, where is Olivia's pencil case? In the what? Juan? In her?
In her school bag.
In her home. She left in her home. Olivia's pencil case. All right. So Olivia's pencil case is at home. Okay. So next we have here. So the definite article is the. We can use it with singular and plural nouns. Example, the chair, the books. Then we have the indefinite article is a or an. If the noun begins with a vowel sound, we only use it with singular nouns. Example, a pen, an exam. Next, we can use some with plural nouns when we don't know or we don't want to say exactly how many. Example, I've got a pen and some pencils. Then we use a, and some when we mention things for the first time. Example, I've got a skateboard and some roller blades. Then letter E, we use the when, we mention the again. Example, I've got a pen and a pencil. The pen is red and the pencil is blue. Okay, so because, Juhan?
Yes.
All right, because it's already time. All we need to do is stop again here. So, I will give you an assignment. So this is your assignment. Then we will check it tomorrow. Okay? So bye for now. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
I will send your assignment in our GC.
Okay.
Okay.